Hi, how's it going today? We're going to do a little video of my rototiller. There's lots of snow on the ground. It's probably at least 4 inches deep. Oh, I'll have to start this thing to move it. It's quite... Ooh. Actually, I'll sit on top of the mower. I'll set the camera down for a second. Hang on. There we go. Sorry about the camera. Okay. Has it got gas in it? Now remember, 10 minutes. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. E3 spark plug. Starts good. Now, check the oil. Oh. Oh yeah. When you ever handle oil, make sure you wash your hands so you don't get... Well, it makes sense, right? Anyways, sorry. Now, choke, rabbit, full power, full throttle. You brace it like this and pull. Oh! You're a smoker. Oh, I love that. Powered by 5.5 volts, Briggs Intek valve, high speed.